I was really excited to get my hands on this. So this was sent to me for review. This is the Red Light Feet Therapy from Viconor. And as far as red light therapy, I have used it in the past and it's supposed to really help with inflammation. I actually had a sprained ankle, so I did use red therapy. I actually went in to get treatment for it. It was quite expensive, but it did help a lot with that fatigue, the muscle pain, the inflammation. So it did promote healing. So definitely something that works very well. This one is actually one that you have in your home. So I'm really excited to get it out of the package and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing and show you what exactly is in the package. So you get this user manual, which is appreciated because there's different settings that you can set for different functionality that you're looking for or different relief. So on here you do get the power cable, so this plugs in nicely into the wall, and then you can charge it as needed. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here are the little feet areas that you're able to put your feet into. And then it looks like we have some additional cords and cables. So you have this one here, which is USB, which is appreciated because sometimes you might be charging with the USB cable. It looks like you have maybe some expander straps available, and then you also have this remote control, which is nice, so that way you don't necessarily have to control from your feet. You can do it higher up with that remote. So yeah, it looks great so far. So I can see it, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and it looks like it does come with the one, so you would do the treatment on the one foot and then switch it over to the other one. But this looks really great so far. It feels very soft and comfortable. So I'm going to get this on my feet and we'll go ahead and get started with the demo. So I do have the device on my foot. As you can see here, it is very comfortable, and you can see that it is adjustable with these straps here. So I can make it tighter or looser as I see fit. I do have the control right here. It is a nice bright display, and you do have timer options. So you can see in this case, I can go up to 30 minutes. You also do have a few numeric options. So you can see here if I go changing the mode. So I have a few levels that I can click through. So if I'm using level 1, that's used primarily for like daily skincare maintenance, or maybe to relieve fatigue, or if your feet are sore, that's a good one for that. If I want to go up to 2, that's usually used for more stiffness, like sports injuries, and improving your circulation, which is great. And then you have levels 3 and 4, and these are primarily for foot arthritis. Maybe you have some neuropathy pain, damage repair. So usually for those, for that setting, it's recommended to do like 30 minutes a day for at least 4 weeks. And then you also have a pulse mode, which I thought was really cool. So you can see here, and if you look at it, you can tell right here, it is pulsing, so that lets you know that that's on the pulsing setting. So that's more so if you have sensitive skin. So I appreciated that that was in the design as well for this. So just a reminder on anything that's infrared, you definitely don't want to use it if you have a heart disease issue or pacemakers that are implanted. Pregnant women, generally, it's not recommended for, and anyone that has bleeding on the skin of their hands as well is recommended to not use this. But overall, very happy with this. Again, I've used infrared therapy in the past and it's worked wonderfully. So I'm really happy to have something like this at home that I can use.